Alright guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing very well today guys. We are about to start a project. Follow me. As you all can see, we have the concrete. We are going to probably just do the holes for today. As you all can see, we got over a pallet. It's almost 2 pallets, and we're doing many footings right here. We'll be using 6x6. We got the steel metal base. In this section, guys, what we are going to do here is we will be adding another a 12x16 with a ramp. Turn into the driveway all the way here. Come here. Get into the driveway where the blue car is. And on this side, guys, there's. Y'all follow me. Let's see. It's already a year ago. We did a job for Mr. Malner, and he told us to do another job for you. So we're replacing this 4x6s. We are going to add 6x6, obviously with a metal steel base, and we are knocking down this section and building another 12x16 extending this way. Y'all will see the results, and we're going to do some stairs, landing stairs, and some other stairs going through on both sides. So in this section here, we are going to do a walkway, which is going to be 4 foot wide all the way here, attached to the other section of deck. So I would like to ask y'all to share and like our posts, so if in the future y'all need someone to help you out with any project or to do any deck remodeling or building a retaining wall, you can reach me out at 706-879-8873, 706-879-8873. And if anything, guys, if y'all need someone to help you out to pull out any permits, we can do it for y'all. God bless y'all, guys. See you all. Bye.
Y esa parte no se va a